Hello everyone, Engineering Education Board of SAE India and Capabl are launching India's biggest electric vehicle design and development workshop. It's called Build EV, Ride EV Industry Readiness Workshop. SAE India and Capabl are setting up labs and center of excellence in electric vehicle in various colleges across India. It's an initiative where colleges don't have to bear any financial burden, and we would be supporting colleges to launch such workshop in their campus and bring all the tools, machinery, raw material, equipments, and students will get a chance to build these electric vehicles from scratch. The aim of this workshop is to provide practical exposure to core engineering students and to boost core engineering in India. If you are a college looking forward to launch such workshop in your campus, then apply to the link given in the description below. And if your college got selected, then we would be setting up a fabrication lab in your campus. We would be also helping you to establish a center of excellence in electric vehicles and to provide all the technical support in participating any engineering design and competition. Looking forward to have some really good colleges on board where students from various different colleges would come and learn how to design and develop electric vehicles from scratch. Thank you.